A brand new feature is available on the iPhone with iOS 26.5. And usually these are incremental updates, but there's one that is pretty significant, and that is end-to-end encryption in RCS text messages. I'm going to walk you through exactly what that is and how to get it. Now, you can see on here, end-to-end encryption is a secure communication method that only allows the sender and recipient to be able to read messages. The data is encrypted, and no one else is able to unencrypt it except the sender and the receiver. Now, if you're on the iPhone and you're used to sending blue text message bubbles, there's always been end-to-end encryption, or it has been for a long time. However, if you're texting an Android phone, the green text message bubble, previously, it was not end-to-end encrypted. I'm going to show you how to turn that on. Tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. Oh, let me go back to the beginning to walk you through. Scroll down. Tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. You need to get to the latest version. You can see on here iOS 26.5 and includes end-to-end encrypted RCS chats in beta mode. After you've installed it, all you need to do to enable it is tap the back arrow, tap the back arrow again, tap on Search at the bottom, and we're going to search for Messages. And tap on the Messages app. From here, scroll down until you get to RCS messaging. Tap on RCS messaging, and there'll be a new option that enables end-to-end encryption. After you've done that, you'll be able to see when you start messaging with somebody, at the top, when you're texting with somebody with a blue text message or a green text message bubble rather, it'll say text message RCS, and it will have the little lock and say encrypted, indicating that all the text messages that you send and receive to an Android phone will now be encrypted. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.